Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's episode we'll be making another juice, not the red juice. I wasn't able to find cranberries yet, but we're going to be making a beets dandelion juice, which has a lot of health benefits because the raw beets dandelion is really good for you. It happens to be, from what I've read, really good for your liver and just in general for your health. So like always, let's start with the ingredients, and of course at the end I'll show you how the juice looks. So for this juice, what you're going to need is a bunch of dandelion. So dandelion just looks like this. You can usually find at a health store or Longo's. Just some regular spinach. You can buy regular spinach or baby spinach. This is baby spinach. Also 1 lemon, and this is pretty much for 1 glass of juice, but this may make a little bit more. So 1 lemon. 1 Fuji apple, and yes, for this recipe I like to use specifically Fuji apple. I like the taste. Also, this is about 3 very small raw beets, and of course these ingredients are washed and peeled. Now you're going to need about 6 smaller size carrots for this recipe, as well as just a thumb of ginger. So these are all the ingredients, so now let's just make the juice and I'll show you how it looks. Okay everyone, so the juice is now ready, so let's just mix it with a spoon and put it into a cup. There we go, just in a glass today. So as you can see, it's very deep, kind of like burgundy almost color, but very dark one. So there you go everybody, another variation of pretty much a vegetable juice, just with a little bit of apple, just to make it taste a little bit nicer. So I hope you try it out. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next juicing recipe. Thank you. Bye.